What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I am in Los Angeles again, and I'm in Koreatown for the first time, and I'm super excited because I keep seeing all these delicious Korean foods on YouTube that I haven't tried before. So today we are going to try all of them. I'm going to go and try black bean noodles, spicy rice cakes, Korean fried chicken, and cheesy corn dog. So without further ado, let's get this started because I'm freaking starving. And yeah. And by the way, how do you like my wings? City of Angels. All right, see you guys at the first stop, which is black bean noodles. See you in a minute. Yeah. Hi guys, okay, so we are in China Gate right now, which is in Koreatown in LA. We just ordered Jajangmyeon, which I'm probably really butchering the name there, but it's black bean noodles. They look so good. I've only ever tried the instant version, and I honestly wasn't a huge fan of it, but I had heard from other bloggers it makes such a difference to get it from a good restaurant that does it well. So here goes nothing. Wow, this is crazy. She's like, do you want scissors? We're like, no. Or should I just go into it? Okay, guys. That took me way too long to get this on my chopsticks, and it's super duper long. They asked me if I wanted scissors. I said no. That was probably a mistake. That's really good. It's slightly sweet. Surprisingly not as beany as I thought it was going to be. Savory. The noodles are a really good texture. They're springy. Do you like them?
Yeah.
They're really good, huh?
They are very difficult to eat. It's like an arm workout at the same time.
Yeah. So there's pieces of pork in it. Yeah. Forgot to mention, I hadn't gotten a piece of pork yet. My friend Lindy's over here, and she's like, what is this? I have a piece. I'm like, it's not a bean. What is it? It's pork. Ooh, it's good. It's like marinated. It kind of tastes like pineapple-y. Did you taste pineapple? It tastes like they marinated their pork in pineapple juice.
Reminds me of those like red pork, you know?
Yeah. Yeah, this is like above and beyond better than the instant version. Like, by a freaking mile. I was really hoping I was gonna love this. Kimchi. The kimchi is like super fresh and crunchy, and it's only like slightly spicy. It's like just kind of like mild heat, roof of your mouth, back of your throat. Totally manageable. And these noodles, by the way, are not spicy at all, like 0 spice. Like easily the messiest noodle ever to eat, by the way. I got another piece of pork. It's like, there aren't very many of them. When you get them, it's like, yes.
Like the onion ring in your fries.
Right. Like starting to run out of noodles. It's like all onions now. More pork. Literally, it's all onions left now. That was freaking amazing. I'm so happy we came here. I completely changed my mind about black bean noodles. Now I know I just need to go to a good place to get it and not rely on instant, which I thought was kind of gross. Sorry to everybody who likes it. Yes, everything's great. Thank you so much. What's that? He just brought us a treat. I don't know what it is. Dude, the hell this is. It's fine. What is it? Oh, wow. It's some sort of root that's like candied. We're trying to figure out what this is, but they just gave us this like fried root vegetable-y thing. that's been like deep fried and candied and topped with sesame seeds. It's really good, actually.
Really good.
Alright guys, this place was awesome. Great start to the day. I think we're going to spicy rice cakes next. So pray for my mouth because it's going to be spicy as fuck. And I will see you there. Okay guys, so we just got this massive bowl of, I'm gonna pronounce this wrong, tteokbokki. They're judging me, I know it. The spice level is supposed to be like really similar to how it is in actual Korea. So I'm pretty nervous, all things considered, because you saw me die in my fire noodle challenge. And I'm kind of worried this is gonna be like as spicy as that. We got mozzarella cheese on top, and then also got these seaweed rolls. They're crispy and they're supposed to be really good. We can like dunk them in the sauce and cheese. And then we have these like spam mayo rice seaweed thing and banana milk to like cool our mouth down. Oh, and pickled radish. So, there we go. All right, let's eat. You guys can eat too. There's little sausages in here.
I'll let you start my so I know what you like. Just let's start off with a little bit first. Wait. I let you. I trust you. Oh, trust me.
It's not so bad. It's not bad. Yeah, it's really good. You like the chewiness? Ooh. Those are really good. It's just seaweed with rice in the middle. Deep fried, like tempura fried. It's really good. What is this? It's like cabbage in here. I'm good for now, thank you. What is this? It's like also like
tastes like undone dumplings.
I feel like that's probably one of the organ meats or something.
No shame.
I'm not sure what that is. My friend has really good eyelashes on right now. I was just telling somebody, why do I always forget who I talk to about things? So I have a friend who gets her eyelashes done every single week. And I want to get mine done every week. I'm definitely getting them done for the wedding though.
I can't get as good as girls.
Essential. I feel like you barely pick it up. I really like the texture of them though. They're like just like gigantic pasta noodles. You know?
Oh, with my chopstick. I cut mine in half with the chopstick. Will you serve me some more, please?
This is like really sweet sauce too. You guys think so?
It's like a sweet and spicy.
It's definitely, yeah. I prefer a little less sweet. Ooh. Pickled radish is really good. It's sweet.
Did he say it was to cleanse your palate, or what was it for?
Yeah. Yeah, to refresh your palate. Oh my gosh.
I think the one's marinated in the bottom. It's good, yeah? Yeah. Okay, bless.
Got your banana milk.
Such a baby.
Are you okay, ladies? Excellent, thank you.
There's street next to my house. Like, then we can be in the a little spicy sometimes.
This is my friend.
Thank you.
I'm gonna do this little. What happened? Is that cheese? That's really good. That's probably my favorite part. And the cheese. Yeah, the seaweed rolls. I feel like if you get everything in one bite, it's like the best. If you get a rice cake, a seaweed roll, the sauce, and the cheese. That's like perfection. Alright. I feel like we should at least try this because we at least got it.
Put it in that much of it? Never mind. There you go.
It just tastes like spam musubi. Deconstructed. And reconstructed to be in a pyramid.
It has flair. It has spirit fingers in the world.
I set it down and I exhaled. And it was like seaweed.
Does that make you the seaweed whisperer?
Got it. Alright guys, I'm gonna stop with the rice cakes for now. They were really good. think I gave you guys enough of my opinions about them. I would definitely recommend coming back here. It's a really large portion for not a whole lot of money. If you're into spicy food, they also offer like ridiculously hot like levels of spice. It's like the challenge. If anybody likes like spicy food challenges, like this is definitely a place to come because it's more like the Korean type spicy, like where you would probably find in Korea if you want spicy food. Like it's like in line with that. So that being said, we're going to a Korean fried chicken place in a little bit here, and so I'm gonna save my appetite for some delicious fried chicken. We will see you at the next spot. Bye. This is apparently a whole fried chicken, like an entire bird. It does not look like that much, so we may get more. We'll see. Super crispy. I don't know if you guys can hear that. That's really good. It's naked. So there's like no breading on the outside. Really, really juicy. Oh man.
You have me now. I'm not talking to you.
Oh, so hot. Woo.
Where are we at?
I feel like there's another flavor of this that we haven't. Like maybe I should get a small portion of the other flavor.
There's flavors.
Pick it up. Can we have like a small order of spicy fried chicken? Spicy. And spicy chicken wings? So is that more like the Korean, like...
Yeah. Sweet spicy.
Sweet spicy.
Is that what you recommend?
It is the most famous.
Most famous.
Yeah? Okay. We'll get that.
Spicy wing?
Yeah, please. Thank you. Thank you. I'm sure that he thinks I'm an idiot. Is that the Korean thing? Is that the best one? How do you guys like it? Good? So hot. So on the plate with the fried chicken, there's this like bed of like sliced raw cabbage and what looks like Thousand Island dressing on top, and I'm super confused by it. And also like pickled jalapenos and a whole side of salt. It is. Yeah. It is basically special sauce. We all know how I feel about special sauce.
Actually, it's fucking good. That's all on camera. Damn it.
This is my kind of salad, by the way. I love when things are shredded and like easy to eat. The fact that I can eat a salad with chopsticks.
That's really fresh. Good.
Mm-hmm.
Tastes good.
It's really like crisp. And special sauce.
Insert
Hello.
Twitter emoji.
That can replace any side salad from any restaurant any day of the week.
I agree with that. It surprisingly doesn't like taste greasy. Like it's crispy on the outside, like the best part of a rotisserie chicken. But like not as greasy as a rotisserie. Agreed.
My friend Lindy was just saying it's like super crispy on the outside, but not greasy at all. And it's true. And yesterday, we went someplace that does like deep fried desserts. And to me, it felt like their oil was set way too low. Because the oil seeped into like the thing that they were frying, and you just tasted oil. You know? It was just off-putting. And so when you fry things at the right temperature, it's not supposed to really soak up as much of the oil. It's just supposed to cook in it, you know? And you get the benefit of having every nook and cranny get crispy. The Korean thing. Oh man, we just ordered spicy chicken wings, which is apparently the thing to get here. I may have mentioned this before. I'm also drinking. Those are good. Like, if you could imagine a Korean buffalo sauce, this is what it would be. With sesame seeds. It's like stickier than a buffalo sauce and sweeter, but it's got like that same type of heat. If you were to get like a medium style buffalo sauce, or even like mild medium, because it's really not that spicy. Flats are my favorite. It really works out with me and Shane because Shane loves the drums and I love the flats.
Drumettes.
The little things.
How spicy is this gonna be? It's like, oh, they brought more salad.
This is not that spicy. There's like a little heat.
And more of a kick.
The sauce is like caramelly. It's like very sticky and like stringy. My friend Bridget's currently dying.
No, she doesn't.
Thank you.
Don't take it away.
They're almost like the best combination. Like if you could imagine like an American chicken wing and a Chinese chicken wing had a baby, I feel like this would be it. Is that racist? Everyone comment below if you think it's racist.
That's diversity and inclusion.
You know what? I'm just trying to create
Diversity
some
in
sort-
chicken meat.
diversity in chicken wings.
Probably agree with that.
Did you get a visual, like a taste visual of what that would be like?
Internet world.
Sorry, not sorry.
What was the word? Mukbang?
Mukbang.
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 Over there.
Anonymous ambulance man. Here's us drinking one for you.
This is to him. Other than the fact that you're 20 seconds. That was God trying to set me up for a
It's a slow burn.
You should warn people. After you press the bell so many times, you don't take them seriously.
Oh. All right, so we're about done with the chicken wing situation here. The spicy ones were delicious. They were super sticky, not too spicy. I would definitely recommend them. Probably some of the better chicken wings I've ever had, actually. Like the spice level is actually perfect. It's like it kind of burns your lips, and it's like this slight slow burn in your mouth, but sweet and like caramelly at the same time. Definitely, like I said before, like an American-Chinese combo, but it's Korean, obviously, so who the fuck knows if I know what I'm talking about. And then the regular bird was amazing, too. It was just a really, really well-done, like, fried chicken. Both amazing, really juicy, really crispy skin. well seasoned. So really happy with this place, and I'm super excited for our last stop. We're going to a place with mozzarella corn dogs. So saving a little bit of room for that. I'm really hoping we don't like find dessert there or anything too, because then I'll just die. All right, we'll see you guys with the mozzarella corn dogs in a hot second. Last stop for the day. I'm pretty full, but we're gonna try this mozzarella corn dog coated with sugar. And it looks like a pear.
It does.
It's like fat on the end. I was expecting it to be just like this long thing.
She said.
That's what she said. Also, my hair is just doing things now. How am I gonna fit my mouth around this?
Oh, that's what she said.
But we're gonna try because that's why we're here, to try our hardest. Oh my god, that's delicious.
This is not sprinkles.
The sugar is everything. If you don't get the sugar with this, you're seriously missing out. It's the sweet salty thing. It's super, super crunchy on the outside.
Oh.
Like from the coating, like the breading and the sugar. It's like two types of crunch.
It's a funnel cake.
Oh my gosh.
It's a corn dog. It's a mozzarella stick.
It's amazing.
It's like a threesome. And great things happen.
This is brilliant.
I'm very happy person right now.
Why has this not existed forever?
This is what will make America great again.
This is what will make America great again, she says. Literally.
I've been back for the States for this. There's no meat in there, is there?
I am young, I don't care.
It's completely vegan. There's no meat. Or cheese. Oh, cheese.
You're like, there's no meat, it's completely vegan.
Hashtag, I'm not a food blogger.
Oh my
Just
god.
your everyday fat kid. Where's cheese come from? Cashews? Sometimes they come from almonds. What do you think about that?
No.
Get some sugar in there, honey. Will you take a picture of this real quick so I can send it to somebody?
There is a hot dog here. Who
Not
knew?
vegan at all. carnivore friendly. I'm no shame. Judge me. I'm living my best life, Damon. I got 2 hands. I'm gonna fill them out.
Living her best life, folks. You heard it. I mean, it really is, though.
Honestly, it really is.
I've never been happier with such phallic-shaped food in my hand.
I'm always pleased with this shaped food in my hand. It never disappoints me with anything in this shape in my hand. That's another different vlog, sorry. You're welcome, America. Seriously, it's like, when we get one of these in London, where do I start the petition?
The hot dog's really good, too. It's super juicy.
Some of the best ones are.
This video is so long. I'm so sorry. It's gonna be like 55 minutes. But you know, we're experiencing so many different things together today. So I feel like it's fine, right?
What? What? I don't know, I was in my own moment.
Yeah, honestly, today was filled with so much good food. The black bean noodles were amazing earlier.
It's a fluffy cone. It's what? It's like fluffy.
The black bean noodles were amazing, and it was hilarious. I left the restaurant and the people were like, how did you eat that much? Not in English, though.
She just tapped her belly.
She's just like,
universal symbol. Buddha.
and then the tteokbokki, totally butchering that once again, was really, really good. Spicy, super sweet. I would definitely get the spicy one next time. Really glad we got to try it. Both of the fried chickens were pretty good.
The wings, that salad.
The wings were better than the regular version, in my opinion, and in my friend's opinion here. I think the regular one had the tendency to dry out a little bit more, and the wings had way more flavor. This is just crazy, though. This is like crazy creation.
This is happiness on a stick. Seriously. It's a threesome between a corn dog, a mozzarella stick, and a funnel cake.
Yeah. Corn dog, mozzarella stick, funnel cake. Can you imagine anything better, honestly? Why is the Minnesota State Fair not doing this? Minnesota State Fair, hello! It's America, and we need you to make these. Oh my god. This was so good. And since it had sugar on it, I feel like it was kind of the dessert of today. We also got some soft serve and those like fish ice cream cone things.
All over my body.
Guys, I am so full. I've had so much fun today exploring Koreatown in LA. If you have any questions about anything that we ate today, about where we got any of the food, about what it tasted like, if I have any more suggestions for LA, about why I'm in LA, literally anything at all, please comment below and ask away. I am happy to answer all of your questions. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I would love for you to subscribe. I like to go around and give very honest reviews of food that I eat out. I like to taste my recipes and tell you a little bit about my life. I like to try like nationwide foods that are available to everyone, like fast food, chain restaurant foods, and review them for you. And yeah, so if you're into any of that, subscribe to my channel. We are going to Smorgasburg tomorrow, and I am not sure how much food I'm going to eat there at this point because I am so full right now, but stay tuned for if there is possibly a mukbang from that or not. And yeah, thank you guys for tuning in. I hope y'all enjoyed this video out and about Koreatown in LA. I will see you guys next Tuesday per usual. I love you. So do my friends. Yay. We all love you. We hope you're having a great night, and we will see you next week. Bye guys.